just coffee. Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. I'm still not feeling too well. If you guys follow me on Snapchat, you'll know what has been up with me for this past couple of days. I am just going to jump right into this. So the color I'm using for my eyes is my deepest purple lip liner, and it is by LA Girl. So I'm just going to do my brows really quickly and then come back to you guys. I have so much brow tutorials now, you guys. It's a little bit strenuous to do another one on camera, so I'll just link my brow tutorials in the description. And my nail just broke. I hate this. I hate this. So this is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer, and it says it's soft matte and it's an instant retouch primer. So I'm going to take my Motives by Lauren Redinger brush. It's a brush like this, and I'm going to use it to apply the primer. So those 3 pumps are done. One more pump. So it smells really nice. It smells, I don't want to say rosy or florally, but it just has a really nice smell. It's not overpowering at all, but I'm stuffy, but it just has a nice smell. While it's sitting on my face, let me go ahead and apply my my brow bone setting powder. I'm using my Sacha Buttercup. To set my brow bone. Just keeping busy as this dries down a bit. Alright, so it is, it has dried down and it just feels okay. I still have a little bit of glow. It didn't mattify my face. My face doesn't feel stiff, and it's just a little bit tacky, but not much at all. I mean, if you don't notice it, you won't feel like it. It won't feel tacky to you. So next, I'm going to try the foundation. This is in 420. This is your Pro Filter Soft Matte Foundation. It says also long wearing. So I've been following Priscilla Owner like crazy. Priscilla Owner, I just absolutely love her. So I'm going to take 3 pumps, and she said that you must shake well, the foundation well, before you apply it. So I'm going to be using, where's my brush? Where's my other flat top brush? So I'm going to be using my La Classique Trinity from my brush line. It has been sold out now. This is in PS139. You guys aren't seeing that. PS139, which is an angled flat brush. Now I got my match off of the site, the Fenty Beauty site, so maybe 420 is too light for me. We'll see once it dries down. I don't know I don't know if it's claiming to be full coverage. But you guys, this is 1 pump. The foundation is a little bit runny for real. It is a little bit runny. But did I do 1 pump a while ago? Oh no, 3 pumps, sorry. Three pumps. So I don't know if because my fan is on, but it's matte. It's drying matte, not like hella matte where it's like tightening my skin, but definitely work fast with this if you're using it in an area where you have AC, so it looks patchy here. So just go over this area again. Alright, so I think 420 is too light for me. Let me step back. I mean, in person it looks really good, but on camera it's really light. So maybe I'm 430, I don't know. Alright, so this is what it looks like. So I would say medium to full coverage. Excuse me, medium to full coverage. So now I'm going to highlight with, I believe this is Suede from her collection as well. Then you see how, I mean, this doesn't match me. I'm going to work with it. So then I'm going to go in with Espresso. So I typically would not low light so far down or so much, but the reason I did this is because the foundation is so light. I'm kind of working it as my as a part of my highlight, and then the foundation, the low lighting color espresso will then be my foundation. Now as I said, the color does not match me. I just went off of what was on the site and I figured, oh, that could fit me, but I highly recommend going in and getting matched. If you have a Sephora near you, or if you're going to do a land, if you can afford to, buy 2 foundations and not just one. So this is the brush I use to do my my foundations. I'm just going over the edges to blend out the edges, and then I'm going to be setting with my Sasha Buttercup and my Face by Shana soft matte powder in matte cocoa.
What did I do? Jerry, I'm taking lessons, but if you could just give it one more try. You know what the best feeling in the world is, Jerry?
Alright, so I've been wearing this makeup for since 7:30, 8:39, 10, 11, 12, 2, 3, 4, 9 hours. And let me just say, I have not pat my face all morning. Alright, and I really hope this video goes through, because I did a full video of this. Hopefully I can find footage of me using the foundation and the primer, but something very traumatic happened to me. I actually broke my primer. See, it tape up, but I just pat in my face. That's all I'm doing. That's all I'm doing, and my makeup is fresh, like I just applied it. It is gorgeous. It's not my match, but yo, this primer and this foundation is definitely doing it for me. I love it so much. I kept on looking at myself when we were coming over. I was like, this thing is holding up. Let me zoom in. So I was picking at my face right here. Like, this thing is holding, it's holding up. I love it. I love the primer. Definitely going in my makeup artist kit. Foundation definitely going in my makeup artist kit. The only flaw is that it's glass, and glass is very expensive. Well, I don't know if it's expensive to make, but it just gives a very expensive look, and I need to buy 2 more primer, one for myself and one more for my kids. I love it. Gone to bed. I used everything on for my low light. I used the trio, as you guys know it's magnetic. So I use espresso to low light, suede as my highlight, and cinnamon as my glow, and also trophy wife as my glow. And I use the sponge. The sponge is still soft. The sponge is so hella soft. It's softer than my beauty. It's softer than my beauty blender. I need to apply powder under my eyes. It's softer than my beauty blender. This comes really small, so it doubles in size. Excuse me. I love it. And the perfect match for this foundation is my matte cocoa Face by Shana. Oh my god, it is perfect with this foundation. These two together, mwah, mwah, gorgeous. Listen, y'all don't sleep on these Face by Shana powders. Remember, she's Jamaican, and it's a Jamaican owned company, a black Jamaican owned company. So y'all better get into this, get into all of this Face by Shana's. Get into all of this, get into all of my cocoa, all of my matte cocoa. Get into all of this, and hit pan, you know, but you know how it is when you love something, girl. But yeah, I just wanted to, I don't know if this is the beginning of the video or the ending of the video, but I just want to say this works for me. This primer, which I didn't think much of it initially, but I've been wearing it, and it says shake well at the back here, but I've been wearing it, and I love it. I'm just bummed out this is not my color, so I'm putting this in my kit, but it's not my, you know what, I'm gonna continue to use this because I love these two together, and then I'm going to buy another one for my kids and then buy my colors. It's $4.20, so I'm probably at $4.30. I'm going to get $4.30 and $4.40, and see, but when I went back on the Fenty site, they were sold out of $4.30 and $4.40. So as soon as those come back in, I'm going to get those and see which one matches me better, and then take time buy them up little for my kid because they're really nice. Medium to full coverage, lightweight. The lights are making me sweat. It's very lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't feel like I have on foundation. It's very lightweight. And actually this video is just, this is the end of the day for me, so I'm just gonna go ahead and remove my lashes. Yep, that's what she looks like. Excuse me. Get this makeup off. I just really wanted to let you guys know because I'm not trying to get the file together. It wasn't working, so I just wanted to film this video again. It's my second time wearing it, my second time filming it, and I'm glad that that part of the video wasn't going up because I love this. I love it. Alright, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys.